Today I will be sharing a very healthy recipe made with besan or gram flour. This is perfect for breakfast or you can have it for lunch or dinner as well. This is really good if you are on diet too. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's start the recipe. Here I am taking gram flour or besan and then adding the ingredients one by one: turmeric powder, chili powder, ajwain, a little bit of salt, and then mixing this all up with water. Here I will be forming a nice batter which will be neither very thick nor very thin. The consistency will be like this now, and then I will keep the batter to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I am roughly chopping some veggies. I am adding onion, tomato, some coriander, and I will be chopping these all up finely in my chopper. So I will be also adding 2 green chilies. I have taken 2 green chilies here. You adjust it according to your taste. And then I will be transferring all this in my chopper. So once I put this in the chopper, all the veggies will be nicely chopped up and it tastes very nice when I add it to the batter. So it will be finely chopped. You can even cut it with your hands, but I feel this way is easier for me. So usually when I add mixed vegetables like this, I usually like to chop it up together and make it into finely chopped pieces. So here our batter is now ready. I'm adding the chopped vegetables to the batter and then mixing it well. The batter is absolutely ready to use now. Consistency is perfect. I don't have to add water at this stage. If you find that the batter is little thick, you can add little bit of water as well. Now adding some oil to the frying pan, and then I will be adding the batter and giving it a round shape. This is also called vegetable omelette. So the people who are not able to eat eggs, you can have this as a vegetable omelette. This is a really filling, healthy and a tasty recipe. You can add other veggies also if you want in this. You can add capsicum if you want to add spring onions, anything, grated carrot, you can add these as well and make it according to your choice, and that will be too tasty and healthy as well. So fry both the sides till golden brown. We will fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes till our this chilla, which is veg omelette or chilla, is perfectly cooked on both sides. And we will then serve it with any chutney or ketchup of your choice. Similar way, make all the other chillas like this, and then you can enjoy it with a dip of your choice. Even green chutney will be tasting very good with this chilla. This is perfectly great for people who are on diet as well, because this is made with gram flour and it is healthy also. And it we will not be adding too much of oil so that it is on the healthier side. So in this way we will make all our chillas and then we will be serving it up. I'm serving it with ketchup today. You can enjoy with any other dip of your choice. Make it, try it out and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. See you soon.